John 1:17 speaks about grace and truth coming through Jesus Christ. Have you ever wondered how frequently at least one of those terms occurs in verses throughout the New Testament? Studying these could give us real insight into the nature of Jesus. In this video, I'll show you how to use the OR operator to search for these types of occurrences, where at least one of a number of terms appear. One of the open search panels shows the occurrence of the word grace in the New Testament, while the other shows occurrences of truth. To combine these and show results where at least one of the words is present, add the operator OR to one of them and follow it with the other term. And this operator works exactly the same in an inline search. Open the Tyndale New Testament commentary on John's Gospel, open the inline search bar and enter grace or truth as the search string. So the OR operator is the ideal way of identifying a portion of text where at least one of the search terms is present. And there are a range of training videos that explore different search operators. Please have a look at them to enhance your search capability within Logos.